Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am so sorry about our absence from YouTube. We have had a crazy couple weeks and we are about to get a huge snowstorm tonight. So I'm at work. I'm trying to tie up some loose ends before this all hits and figured I would try to record a quick video of our haul for this week. Because we knew weather was coming in, we decided to go out over the weekend. And honestly, it was depressing. We didn't get, didn't get a lot. Not as much as I'd hoped for. I don't know. And if you hear the siren stuff in the background, it's just plows. We had about 2-3 inches last night, and we're expecting like 15 tonight. So they're just prepping everything. So let me go ahead and get started with our haul and let me know what you guys think. First off, we have this massive candle holder. You guys may recognize this because I have flipped this thing multiple times. I take these, they're always the same brown. It is not wood. It is definitely like a resin. I have painted them multiple different colors and they always sold. So it's, for me, it was a no-brainer to grab that. Next up is a jewelry box. I haven't flipped one in a while. Maybe I'll record this one. I will probably do it here at work. I love doing them. They're fun. They do sell. Usually pretty fast for me too. Again, I haven't even opened bags. I literally unloaded the car, parked it, and I'm trying to get stuff done before our open hours. So this is all my wrapped up stuff. So this I paid, now I'm realizing too much. I thought it was Rae Dunn. It is actually from Aldi, but has the same font on it. So there's that one. What else do we have in here? Oh, just an old Croc bottle. I'm going to pull out that cork and use it as a vase. I don't know. I love Crocs. Y'all know that. This would look really cool with a couple just stems in there. And then this, I believe, is a honey jar with the little dollar. And I don't think this is old by any means. It was just cute. And honey jars tend to sell pretty decent. This will look cute with my bee decor. All right, next up, let's just move some of this bigger stuff. Just a small little tote. I'm sure if this isn't handmade, then it's just like a Michael's or something. It actually isn't too bad as it is. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it or decoupage it or leave it as is. Here we have just a chicken egg basket. I know it's not old. It's cute. My, I guess, fear is that this is actually very new and they can be bought in the stores, but we'll see. I'm going to put it out. It was adorable. And then a little galvanized little tote too. It's very shallow, but this will be cute for either like my soap pumps or I don't even know yet. I'm not awake. I have not even had coffee. I've had 1 cup of coffee, which if you know me, is not very much. We got this. This is a Hobby Lobby piece. This is super cute. I probably am not even going to touch this other than maybe doing something different for the chalkboard paint because the stuff doesn't wash up very well. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this in the store for like my dish towels, like a sign for my dish towel price or what, but it was cute. It also makes really cute wedding decor. And I've actually sold quite a few things recently that have been wedding decor. So next up are these jars in a little basket with flower frogs on top. I actually have 2 of these. Again, a good seller for me. I won't have to do anything to these other than clean them up a bit. And they'll be a quick flip. So these are, I mean, spring's coming. You can do propagations in these. You can do flowers and just brighten up your space. I grabbed 2 of these, just a little yarn string. I use these for tags, but they also look really cute unwrapped and in like a dough ball. So that is what those are for. A frame, and this has got glass on both sides. I just thought this was cute, and I may even leave it as is. This is just from a magazine, the one that's in there right now, but I thought that was pretty cute. And the frame was adorable. So win-win. And here we have another little jewelry box. I just sold one very similar to it, except the other one was definitely brighter inside. This has definitely got more neutrals. I'm not sure yet what color I'm doing those yet, but too cute. And then we have this little measuring. This is not new, but again, cute and adorable and like for real measuring. So these are cute on tiered trays. These are cute on a little shelf in your kitchen or for use. And then we bought 2 of these. I won't do anything to these. I may eventually, if they don't sell right away, stick a label on them, like a vintage label. But for now, we'll leave those as is. I'm gearing up for spring, guys, with all the planters. So there's that. And then I've got a clock. I have not even tried this one yet to see if it works. It's really simple, plain, modern, gold, and I love it. I have sold out of every single clock I have in the store except my wind-up vintage ones. And next up, just 2 boards. These were $1.99 a piece. They're perfect for signs or whatever. I don't know. It was a good deal. I don't have to cut it. I don't have to do anything. I can just paint and move on. And then we have a cutting board in the shape of Wisconsin. We are on a border of Minnesota and Wisconsin, and we do get a lot of crossover. So I will get this sanded up and re-oiled. Oh, this was really cute. This is just some galvanized butterflies in a garland. I loved it. I think I'll start out selling this as is. If it doesn't sell, I will either add some transfers to it or decoupage them. But right now we're putting it out as is. We are all about as is right now. And then we found this. You know I love all the things with the drawers. So I already love spice racks. This has all the little jars with it. All of them have their stoppers. Yes, some of them are a little dingy. But I did pay up a little bit for this. But I will probably paint the actual shelf part white and just dress it back and then put all the little jars back in. And another bag I have not even opened. It's kind of fun because I don't even remember what I got. This. Oh, yes. It's pink. I pick up the Fenton Silvercrest all the time. This needs washed. It's definitely got the dingy and the ruffles there, but it is so precious. It'll be really cute out in the one corner hutch. I have like pops of pink in there. It'll look really cute in there. And then last but not least in this is a little Pure One. I am guessing this is just like a little jelly sugar. I don't know, but little white containers like that. The little pitchers, those are always really good, easy self. And then last, which is not a thrift find, not a whatever. This is from a customer. I sold her some furniture, and this is a thank you from her. It's got a mirror in it, and I'm really excited to do this. You know, I love green, but I'm not digging this whole dingy look. So this will probably get a total makeover, to be honest. And then I also have over there, and I'm not going to lift it up because I have not come to terms with the woman I'm working with on it. It's an old chandelier with actual crystals, like crystals, and it's beautiful. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get it rewired or if I am going to just turn it into like a can for candles. But it's super gorgeous. Anyway, so that's my haul for the week. Like I said, it wasn't nearly as much as I'd hoped for. Definitely smaller than our typical. but I got some good stuff, things that I'll be able to put out right away and not have to do too much to. I'll watch for videos on my jewelry boxes. I think I will do both of them together and do those. Otherwise, I think most of the stuff here, other than the wood, are just real quick. Flip it around and get it out in the store and it'll all be good. So please like, subscribe, and share. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe below. I'm really trying to up my subscribers and would love to have you. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.